Hi there, welcome to BIM ALL. Today's video is about a Revit tricks, where you can export the Revit families present in a Revit file in a specific folder without using any tools or add-ins. So let's start without wasting time. Now, first of all, you need to go open a project and then go to a file menu. There you will find an option called Save As. Thereafter, move to a library. Now here you can see you can save all the views available here, group and families. So our target is to export all the families. So let's click on the family. Now it is asking for a path where you can save the families. Let's let me keep the family inside here document. Okay. So let me click on a new folder. I will name it as families. Now Now it is asking for which family you want to save. Whether you are supposed to export all the families present in a file, you can do it by selecting on all families. Now just go to hit the save button and it will export your families one by one in that folder. The families are getting exported over here, right? This will export the entire family present in the Revit file. Whether you have used that family or not, it's not depend on that. Okay. It seems that it's done, right? But the problem with this one is that the entire family has been exported into a single folder. If you want to segregate this based on its category, you can do that using Dynamo. And if you wish to see that, subscribe our channel because I am going to upload the next video on that itself. Thank you very much for watching.